Okay, imagine a rear end right here. You can see it, can't you? And then imagine right here is the fill plug on the side, and I'm under my car. Here's the car. You see the line here? We're under the car. Here's my rear end, the side view of my rear end, and here's my fill plug. It's a 3/8 fill plug. It's supposed to be square, but it's stripped so it's round. I'm thinking instead of chrome, some black impact style, shitty metal, hard metal adapter. So here's my 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter. Here's my 3/8 plug. I'm going to grab a bunch of putty, cold weld steel, and I'm gonna push it, or J-B Weld, and I'm gonna put it into my plug to where it isn't gonna set drying the plug to the port, to the actual hole that it's in. So it's gonna have to only be in the square of the plug, and then I'm going to take my adapter, which has a 3/8, so I don't need much putty. I'm going to take my adapter, which is 3/8 on one side, which leaves me a 1/2 inch opening, and I'm going to plug it in, and I'm going to let that shit sit. Okay? So now I have a 3/8 adapter filling my stripped 3/8 plug opening, and now I have a fresh, brand new, impact resistant 1/2 inch plug. Why wouldn't that work? Why wouldn't that work?